My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
So, oh yeah, I've also set up an AI chatbot, and I asked it a few questions, and one of them gave me a wrong answer. Um, and how do I correct an AI chatbot? I did give it the thumbs down, but then it didn't really give me an option to correct it. If
You're
then
talking
get
about conversation AI.
sorry, conversation AI, yeah.
So conversation AI, let's pull up this one here. Um, that's exactly how you do it. You go to the test here. If it says something you don't like, you give it the thumbs down, and then it'll create a box for you where you can type out um,
Oh
a,
yeah,
you can
I
type out a
couldn't see a
different
field.
way you would
Oh,
like
I
it to
couldn't see a
respond.
field to type out the different way when I corrected it.
Let's see.
Um, see if I can get mine. Let's have a look. Oh, I
Maybe
think I
they've
closed
taken it
mine down.
away. You could be right. Let me see. So like, all right, hey, I'm good. What's on your mind today? Anything else real estate related I can help you with? Thumbs down. And then it pops up with this. And I said, hey, how's it going? And then this is what it said. You can go in here and correct it, and you can type out what you would rather have it say in that scenario going forward.
Oh,
And
and there
then,
you type it out.
yeah,
Ah, okay.
you just
Sorry,
delete
I
what
didn't
it
realize I could.
you delete
Okay.
what it said that you didn't like, replace it with something better that you would like it to say in the future, and then train it. And then now it won't make that mistake again.
Ah, sorry. Because I was looking where to type the new stuff, and then I clicked on train button. I thought but I didn't change anything in the box. I thought it would bring me to a field. Thank you.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.